What if you could get unlimited AI powered hosting for less than the cost of a few coffees per month? Sounds too good to be true, right? In this video, we're taking a deep dive into AI hosting to see exactly what you get, whether it delivers on its promises, and most importantly, if it's actually worth your money. Stay until the end because I'll share my honest verdict and whether I personally recommend it. The AI which I'm going to review today is called AI hosting. Stop overpaying for slow, unlimited, limited monthly hosting that throttles your sites. World's first NVIDIA CPU superchip ARM processors, powered by AI hosting platform that lets you host unlimited websites and unlimited domains on a lightning fast AI server. It takes just three simple steps to host unlimited websites. Step number one, activate your AI hosting account. Log in and unlock your AI powered hosting dashboard instantly. No server setup, no configuration, no technical skills. One click, your unlimited hosting is live. Step number two, add your domains and sites. Connect unlimited domains, install WordPress or any app in one click, or let the AI migration assistant move your existing sites over automatically. One input, unlimited sites developed instantly. Step number three, let AI hosting optimize everything. The AI now tunes coaching, compression, and CDN delivery automatically, distributes CPU, RAM, and bandwidth across all your sites, scans for malware and blocks threats in real time, runs daily backups, and one click restores scales resources instantly during traffic spikes, serves your sites from global edge locations seconds, not hours. Zero server skills, zero monthly fees. You relax. AI hosting runs your servers for you. Real world proof, fast, reliable hosting powers every major business online. Below are, below are real world examples proving that hosting speed and reliability directly drive revenue and why a slow host quietly kills your business. Amazon. Amazon research showed that just 100 milliseconds of extra load time can cost massive revenue. Speed isn't a luxury, it's profit. Faster hosting, more buyers. Google officially considers page speed and core web vitals when ranking websites. Faster websites win more traffic. Faster hosting, better rankings. Shopify. Millions of stores rely on scalable hosting infrastructure to survive traffic spikes and maximize revenue. Reliable hosting, no lost sales. Cloudflare. Global CDN technology and AI powered optimization are now the standard for serious online businesses. AI optimization, faster delivery. Why this matters for you? They win by being fast, not just being online. Speed and uptime create trust and authority. Enterprise infrastructure is now AI powered. High rankings, more traffic, more conversions, fewer lost sales, and abundant visitors. Scale globally without downtime. This is the only AI hosting you'll ever need. Grab AI hosting and save $1,500 every year. Today, only one time for $15. We also have an early bird discount of $2 with a coupon code which is mentioned on the screen. I will also mention the coupon code in the description for you. Here's everything you're about to unlock inside AI hosting. Unlimited website hosting. Host as many as websites as you want. No per site fees, no caps, no upgrade traps. Build a portfolio, an agency, or an empire from one account, one price, unlimited sites. AI optimized speed engine. AI automatically tunes caching, compression, image optimization, and CDN delivery. So every site loads in the blink of an eye, faster than any manual setup. Unlimited domains and subdomains, point and host, unlimited domains and subdomains, manage DNS, connect new domains, and go live in seconds, all from one beginner friendly dashboard. AI security and threat shield, real time malware scanning, AI firewall, and DDoS protection keep every site safe automatically. No plugins, no extra cost, no worry. Daily automated backups plus one click restore. Automatic daily backups and one instant click restore. Never lose a site, a database, or a night's sleep again. Global CDN acceleration. Your sites are served from edge locations worldwide for instant load times in every country. Built in, no configuration needed. Auto scaling on traffic spikes. When a site goes viral or a launch hits, AI scales restore resources instantly so you never crash at the worst possible moment. One click app installer, WordPress, Laravel, and 100 plus. Install WordPress, Laravel, and 100 plus apps in one click. No FTP, no command line, no technical headaches ever. Agency and client sub accounts. Create hosting accounts for clients, resell hosting, and run a full hosting business from one panel. Keep 100% of the profit. One time payment, no monthly fees, pay once, host forever, no renewals, no surprise, upgrade bills, no per site charges. The monthly hosting traps ends here. What makes AI hosting better than all those outdated web hosts? Check the full comparison below. Most so-called web hosts. Cap your sites, pay more to host more, run thousands of accounts on one slow shared server. Have no AI optimization, you tune speed manually. Charge extra for SSL backups, email, and CDN. Crash under traffic spikes when you need them most. Bill you every single month forever. AI hosting replaces them all. One dashboard, one AI server, zero monthly fees, fast, secure, unlimited hosting, fully optimized, fully managed, fully yours. Say goodbye to capped, limited hosting plans, expensive monthly subscriptions, manual speed and security tuning, downtime during your biggest moments, add-on fees for SSL, CDN backups, and email. Say hello to one unified AI hosting platform, unlimited sites and domains, AI speed optimization built in, full automation, domain live, fast site revenue, lifetime access with no recurring payments. This isn't just another web host. This is an AI optimized hosting operating system. You don't need seven services, you need AI hosting. Your purchase is 100% risk free with AI hosting guarantee. If you grab AI hosting today and don't feel it delivers next level unlimited hosting, pleasing AI optimized speed and real reliability, we don't want your money. The mission is simple: empower you with an AI hosting engine that runs unlimited fast sites automatically, help you escape monthly hosting bills without touching a server, delivers results that make you say, why didn't I switch to an AI hosting sooner? If for any reason you're not thrilled, if any hosting didn't host your sites fast and reliably, if unlimited hosting didn't work as promised, if the optimization didn't speed up your sites, or if you simply change your mind, you can just let them know within 30 days and they will issue a full hassle free refund. No stress, no complicated forms, no hard feelings. You risk nothing, you gain a global unlimited hosting empire. For limited time only, you can get AI hosting just one time instant payment for $15. You can also avail the early bird discount of $2 with the coupon code mentioned on the screen. I will also mention the coupon code in the description. After reviewing AI hosting, I think it's a solid option for beginners, affiliate marketers, bloggers, and online entrepreneurs who want affordable hosting with AI features built in. The pricing is attractive, the platform is beginner friendly, and the 30-day money back guarantee reduces the risk. That said, if you're running large scale enterprise projects or highly resource intensive websites, you may want to compare it against premium hosting providers before making a final decision. Overall, for the price, AI hosting offers strong value and is definitely worth considering. If you found this review helpful, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments. Would you try AI hosting for your next website? And if you want to check out AI hosting for yourself, you'll find my exclusive link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.